Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. We got a 2016 Pete 389 factory built glider kit, 3406E cat, 550 horsepower, 13 speed, 530,000 original miles. Gotten hot this afternoon. Going to do a full walk around, show you blow by, oil pressure, do a full walk around, frame rails, tires, everything that you'd want to see as if you're standing here. Let's go ahead and get started. 11R 24.5s. Love a single turbo cat. Southern truck, no rust. No blow by whatsoever. Probably the most popular 3406 in the 2WS this one has. Body's in exceptional condition. It's got one little spot on the back corner there. It's got a rub. That's about it. Frame rails on the back, just like the front. No rust anywhere. Cosmetically, body and paint on the truck are good. You got a couple dings in this fuel tank here. Can't really tell until you get up on it. Air track suspension, matching Virgin Firestones on the rear. And brakes, all aluminum wheels. Got a dent on the backside of the fuel tank as well. Interior's clean. A74. You see the operating temps up. Low side oil pressure is fantastic. Turn that down. Oil pressure jumps up just like she should on a cat. Love the sound of a single turbo. Runs smooth through the RPMs. Oil pressure climbs. It's great. Love this truck, love the engine, 2WS. If you like it as much as me, let me know. If you got questions, feel free to give me a shout. 901-896-4526. You can also text me there or email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.